Bag technique is a system method used by the nurses during home visit to prevent infection and ensure safe, efficient care. The purpose, to prevent cross-contamination, ensures organized and efficient care, maintains infection control standards, supports safe care delivery in virus environments. First, lay a clean plastic or disposable sheet on a flat, dry surface. Place the bag on this surface to prevent contamination, and bring out the soap and towel to perform hand hygiene. After perform hand hygiene, take out only items needed for procedure. Assume that the procedure has been done. Clean the used equipment using cotton balls with alcohol. Once again, perform hand hygiene. And repack the bag and dispose of the disposable items.